Hey Quilters, I'm Kim Sandberg. I'm the Education Manager at Handi Quilter, and I am so excited to introduce something brand new. We're calling it the ProStitcher Edge-to-Edge Assistant. It's a new simple way to help you complete edge-to-edge. Stick around to see how to use it. Welcome to the ProStitcher Edge-to-Edge Assistant. This is the welcome screen. Once you've updated to the software version, when you open ProStitcher, it will automatically go to this screen unless if you choose to turn that off. You do have the option to turn that off. I'm just going to walk you through and show you some of the features in the Edge-to-Edge Assistant. So I'm going to choose to quilt today with the assistant. We start with a video that shows you how to load your quilt, so you can see that this is very beginner friendly. And don't forget to measure your quilt top before loading it, because you will need those measurements in a few steps. Next, we're going to move on to stitching your plumb line. This is really important. If you're not sure how to stitch a plumb line, you can easily click to watch a video that gives you clear instructions on how to do this. There are, over here in the sidebar, there are clear steps that you can work through that walk you through step by step how to do this. And we've automated and made it much easier. There's a lot less buttons for you to click so that you can use your channel locks and your base stitch. You also have the option right here to skip this step if you're comfortable doing it already yourself. We'll move on to the next step, which is basting the tops and sides of the quilt. We do the plumb line first to give us a point of reference to make sure that our quilt top is straight and square, and then we baste the top and the sides according to that. Once again, there is a checklist that we work our way through as we are basting to make sure that we don't miss any steps. And once again, there is a video that you can watch. We'll move on to the next step, which is setting up your quilting space. Now this is really important. It allows you to see visually on the screen as I set my 2 points of reference. I end up with this black box on the screen. That is my available space to quilt in. We'll move on to the next screen, which is what size is your quilt? You remember earlier when I told you to be sure to measure your quilt? This is where you use that step. So we're going to move the machine up to the top corner of my quilt and set on the left side. And then down on the right side, we're going to move down as close to me as I can get and as far to the right, just a little bit off the edge of the quilt. But as we all know, our quilts are usually a little bit longer. So I'm going to type in a larger number here. And we can see that my area is now outside of my frame space, which is totally fine, my quilting space. Next, we're going to choose our design. Now, to make things simpler, we have the option here of 6 great basic designs that are included with all versions of ProStitcher that you can use, or you can always choose your own design. To make things nice and simple, I'm going to choose a basic stipple right here on the screen. And watch this. It's like magic. It pops that design right into that area. It crops it and it makes it fit perfectly. All I have to do is hit next. I'm going to save my project. We're going to call this Stipple 5. And if I want to, I can even add project notes. Then I hit next. I save my design. And look at that. I am ready to quilt. In just a few simple steps, I am ready to start stitching. All I'm going to do is move the machine over close by where I'm going to start, hit next, and the machine is going to do the rest. Uh-oh, we had a thread break. Luckily, the assistant walks you through it really easily. So I'll just clear my 2 little alarms, and then I'm going to go through and rethread my machine. Then I'm going to move my machine to just a little bit right before where it stops stitching. Check this box to move my start point, and you can see right there on the screen it moved my start point. And all I have to do is press resume to start stitching again. It's as simple as that. You can see how easy it is to use ProStitcher Assistant. We hope that you have fun quilting with the new ProStitcher Edge to Edge Assistant.